As you can see here, we have the hot milk and melted butter, and we're just going to let that sit to cool off a little bit while we're waiting for the yeast to activate. And I have the one egg that's slightly beaten. And what we're going to do is we're going to slowly add some of this warmed milk and butter mixture to the egg and slowly beat that into the egg. And what we're doing is tempering the egg, and that means bringing it to a higher temperature so that when I add the egg to the hot milk, I'm actually not going to scramble the egg when I mix the two together. So just a little bit at a time, I'm going to add some of the hot milk and butter mixture to the egg. And this should do it. Now I'm going to add the egg to the milk and butter and mix them together. And by tempering the egg, it's going to allow me to mix that with the butter and the milk, and I won't have to worry about whether or not the egg is going to be cooking in the hot liquid. And just get that mixed together. And as you can see, the yeast is starting to proof. You can see some of the bubbles forming. That's what you want to see. You know the yeast is active and alive, and it's actually feeding on the sugar. And it's only been about 2 minutes. You want to let that sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. And our egg, milk, and butter mixture is ready. All we have to do is wait for the yeast.